You see, in them days here, limit who you trust and how much you trust. Because as the days go by, people are get wickeder and wickeder. People are get evil. Be careful of how much information you divulge, your next business move, your next plan. Everybody no need to know your business, because I know everybody in your surrounding and your circle genuine. Them a laugh and them a smile, but in their mind, them a plan your murder, them a plan your robbery, them a plan your demise. And I'm talking about family, I'm talking about friends. I know everybody genuine, I know everybody true. So be careful. The harms of flesh will fail you. You dare not trust your own. Don't trust everybody and trust them with everything. Keep some things a secret, man.
What's up, people? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. And I am just hoping that each and every one of you is having a very peaceful and prosperous day, etc. Remember to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and make we run these reports off just like a we run the ground. So people, you know the drill already. We are going to just jump in at the intro and come right back to the stories. Them you don't go nowhere. We soon forward, people. Yes, so people, as you all heard, and as most of you all don't know yet, so let me bring it to you. Rushane Patterson, the alleged killer of Slickianna, was arrested by the police early this morning, Wednesday, November the 2nd, viewers and subscribers. Yeah, so when me looking at this now, people, and me look upon the Rushane, me really look upon the whole situation, viewers and subscribers. Me I say, this youth here, Rushane Patterson, him really take people for fool. And I want to tell you, say, to tell you the truth, him evil trick me. And I know him trick enough people. But at the end of the day, you still did have enough people. Even in my comment section, I say at the end of the day, say, I lie this boy, I tell, him no gone and no foreign, him still there, etc., etc., viewers and subscribers. So where this man do know, viewers and subscribers, this man deceive the police, him deceive the media, everything. You understand what I mean? And when me looking at this, me I say, this youth look like, say, at the end of the day, say, yo, him really do the act. Nobody can tell me nothing from now, because at the end of the day, if I know you do the act, viewers and subscribers, why at the end of the day, you are going to go through so much efforts, you understand, to deceive the media, deceive the police, etc. You understand what I mean? So, this youth come like something wrong with him in his brain or something, I don't know. But at the end of the day, a smart him will try to play smart at the end of the day. But as well my grandmother ever tell me from me little, every day bucket go well, one day the bottom must drop out. No doubt, viewers and subscribers. And when me really check the ratio and look on the situation, viewers and subscribers, this man Rushane Patterson, he is definitely the killer of Slickianna. Nobody can tell me nothing, as what I said before. Because why you would have go through so much lengths just to deceive the people and just to deceive the police, viewers and subscribers. This man was to turn himself in, viewers and subscribers, from October the 22, because as we all know, Slickianna died the Friday, and October the 21, viewers and subscribers. And this is almost 2 weeks now. You understand? And at the end of the day, still never turn yourself to the police, and them have to come for you. You understand what I mean, viewers and subscribers? This boy Rushane Patterson is guilty as charged. And if me I did the judge where him a go back up on, him would have sure got prison for this, because justice must be served. No, you can't kill off the woman them, so just through some little relationship status and them thing there. You understand what I mean? Viewers and subscribers, the news said early this morning that he is to be questioned today and also expected to be charged. You understand what I mean, people? Yes, so viewers and subscribers, yesterday, Deputy Commissioner of Police P0l came out and said that Rushane Patterson was to turn himself in Thursday, November the 3rd, which he said he would turn himself in with his lawyer. So viewers and subscribers, just listen to this audio.
The matter is actively being pursued We are at a very delicate position at this time, but what I will say to the public that we are actively pursuing the matter. In fact, I can say this publicly that an attorney reached out to me and indicated that he will take him in on Thursday of this week.
Why are original viewers and subscribers when you check the ratio? Because every day you might carry himself in. Why you have to wait to carry yourself in if you're innocent people? Just look at it. Why you have to wait? Why you wait when you're supposed to want to prove your innocence? You're supposed to in a ears to want to prove your innocence. So what at the end of the day you wait for? This just shows him have something to hide. I don't know, maybe viewers and subscribers, just maybe him have a couple brews on him where Slickianna the game or something, because most likely, viewers and subscribers, there's some relationship thing in the girl over, Yeah, and me talk truth, because watch at the end of the day, a good little one little text or a little man call or in ear something and just act on impulse viewers and subscribers. Some of them man are fool, some of them are girl clown viewers and subscribers, man, and joke. You understand what I mean? And look what him just got killed. The young, nice girl viewers and subscribers. You understand what I mean? This man are wicked. But people, hear what? Just tell me what you think down into the comment section. Because Jaja no star. I hope this one no go like Donnelly case viewers and subscribers. You understand what I mean? But then again, me I want to know Jamaica judicial system still. So we have to just watch it because this is an ongoing case. So you understand what I mean? So John no star, when me looking at the ratio star, the man them just a kill off a woman them. Me no know where the man them expect we are going to get woman from in the future. You understand what I mean? The man them to stop them thing your viewers and subscribers and stop abuse the woman them. If there is something in a relationship and you feel like it can't fix or you can't bear it, it is easier at all times to walk away, youth, walk away. And this is another warning again to the females. Be careful. Be careful who not link up with. Be careful who not meet. Be careful who not talk. Because you can't just see somebody and know them outrightly. You understand what I mean? Just be careful and be safe. Every time, check on the surrounding, check who not there with, check who not talk to. You understand what I mean? Check who no even text on social media who no know. So at the end of the day, viewers, you don't know the whole ratio. It's just a sad situation. But at the end of the day, I hope for justice come out of this one, viewers and subscribers. You understand what I mean? Yes, so anyways, viewers and subscribers, Nationwide News has reported that the person of interest in the murder of social media influencer Anika Slickianna Townsend, Rushane Patterson, is in police custody. Patterson, otherwise called Chizzy, was arrested at a guest house in Hanover sometime after 1 Wednesday morning. The JCF announced Patterson's arrest. It's not immediately clear what led the police to raid the Hanover guest house, as Deputy Commissioner of Police P0l told the country on Tuesday that Patterson was expected to surrender to the police in the presence of his attorney on Thursday. The body of Anika Townsend was found floating in the sea in Reading, St. James, the morning of October the 21st. A vehicle was recovered in nearby parish and Patterson was named a person of interest during police investigation. He was originally given a deadline to surrender to the Freeport police station the day after Townsend's body was found. He failed to show up. Sources have indicated to Nationwide News that it was believed he had fled the country. The police had indicated they had no information to suggest Patterson had fled the island. So on the show, I say people, this boy is a wicked, viewers and subscribers. They are trying to deceive the whole public, the whole Jamaican public, viewers and subscribers. You understand what I mean? But anyways, tell me what you think down into the comment section. Leave your thoughts, leave your comments with me, viewers and subscribers. And remember to like, share, click the bell notification so that you can get notified whenever I upload any new video, viewers and subscribers. Peace, I'm out.
Could I never forget where me come from? No matter what me do, me up on Jamaica.